ago. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start with his face. Right about here. Speedy's got a bit of an oval looking face. And we're going to stop it right about there, and then we're going to give him a big old ear. There's a big old ear for him right about there. Looking good, everybody. And bring that on up like that, and then we're going to give him a bit of an eyebrow bit there. Right on there. Looking nice, everybody. Now let's bring a big straight line right across there, and this will be his hair. Bring it back and forth a bit like this. There we go, just like that. A little bit up there maybe. There we go. That's fun now, isn't it? I like this. Now let's draw the inside of his ear. Right about here. Couple of wisps right about there like that. Finish the ear off like that. I like it. Now what we can do is do a nose. So his nose goes right about here. Just a bit of a triangle there like nose. I like that. That looks fun. And give him a big old smile now. Right about there. I like that. Give him some cheeks. And we'll open the mouth a bit like this. Very nice. Let's not forget his tongue. I like it. And now we can draw his eyes. So we'll bottom it off with a cheek here. And then we can draw his eye right where we made the eyebrow there. Perfect. Give him an eye like that and a little highlight. Looking nice. And then right on over here, we'll draw the other eye. Right up to the top there. Bring it on down like that. And then we'll do the same with the eye. Highlight right there. Looking sweet, everybody. I like it. Now what we can do is give him some whiskers. Right there on the nose bit. One there. One there. And then we'll do another couple off here. Very nice, everybody. I'm liking this very much. Now what we're going to do is give him a tie. Right on there like that, or a little scarfy bit. I call it a tie, but others would call it a scarf. Right about there. This is where the tie bit is. Right there. And then bring the material on down like that on both sides. Like that. Give it a bit of texture here. 1, 2. 1, 2. I like it. I like it, everybody. Now let's bring his shirt down. Right there. Across like that. And down like that. Just a square-like thing. And now we can draw his pants. Bring them on in like this. And like that. One there. Little loop-de-loop like that. Bring out that on up. There we go. I like that. And now his legs will come down like this. Skinny legs he's got. Just like that. But he's got big old feet, he does. So let's bring his feet on like this. I like it. And like that. With a bit of a toe bit like that. He's looking good. Same over here. Big old foot like that. Bring it on in. With a bit of a toe there. Very nice, everybody. And now he's got a tail as well, doesn't he? Because he is a mouse. So just make it like that. With a little swirly swoo at the end there. Looking nice. Now we can draw his arms. So let's start up here closer to his head. Bring his arm down like this. Like that. Continue the arm like that. We're gonna draw his thumb here like this. Continue his hand down like that. And there will be his fingers. So that will be his first finger. This will be his second. And there's his third. Very nice, everybody. Bring it on up like that. In like that. And then we can bring his shirt up like this. And like that. Looking good, everybody. I like it. Give him a bit of a palm there if you like. I like that. Looking good. Now let's do the same over here, but we'll make the arm coming out of the sleeve here, or the scarf, I should say, right about there. Very good, everybody. And his other arm coming down like that. Skinny arms, just like his legs. And we'll do the same type of a hand over here. There's his thumb. Bring his fingers on down like this. And then back up. Oh, I like it. Speedy's almost done. All we gotta do is his hat now. So let's bring his hat right in from the very bottom here like this. Right about there. And just follow me along up like this. This is very fun. All the way up. And we're gonna give him a bit of a chewy bit out of the hat like that. And then we'll bring it on down like this. And then we'll bring it right on in like that. Sweet, everybody, I like this. And just at the top here, this will be the peak of his hat right about there. Sweet, I like it. It's Speedy Gonzalez, everybody. The fastest mouse in Mexico. All right, everybody, let's get to the color. Speedy has brown fur, a yellow hat, red scarf and tongue, black hair, nose and mouth, and pink ears. Thanks, everyone.